Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access or how you can turn your old account back or how you can switch to the old version of AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video. The first step is to open any browser on your PC. The second step is to open AOL Mail. And the third step is to log into your account. After you do so, you can see the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right hand corner of your screen. Just go ahead and click it and click on more settings. After you do so, what you need to do is go to this writing mail option. And if it is not here, you can see switch to basic mail option. So you can switch to the basic mail quite easily. So it will turn back to the old version of AOL and it will change your account settings as well. So what you need to do is go to AOL Mail, go to settings, which is over here, click on more settings, and if you go to the writing mail or the viewing mail, you can see that it can turn your inbox style into new or old mail. So if you view in an unified inbox or separate new and old mail folders, so you can see that it has been changed to the new or old mail. Now to switch to basic mail, just go ahead and click on switch to basic mail, and you can see that you can choose it and click switch to basic mail. So after you do that, the whole page will reload and you will be switched to the basic mail once again. But if you want to turn back the settings, you can go back and you can see that you can switch back as well. So guys, this is how you switch to your old mail on AOL. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.